So yeah, I see you. I see you out there flaunting it. Looking all cute. Got that hairstyle with a little bit of attitude. Really frames your face so nicely. But I'm going to have to ask you to lovingly cut it out. Actually, I'm getting a little bit jealous. So, I went out and did a thing. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I've been seeing sisters rocking these bobs, and I just had to do this. Had to do it. This is the Outre melted hairline wig in Zandra. Now the look I wanted was just what you're seeing right here. I wanted something asymmetrical, something that's a little shorter on this side but comes to a nice swoop on this side. Plus that beautiful Outre melted hairline part. Yeah. And so if you're not familiar with the melted hairline series, let me just give you a few details. You have the soft HD transparent lace, deluxe wide lace part. It's a pre-plucked hairline and sideburns, pre-attached wide elastic band for secure fit, redesigned comfort fit ear contour, salon inspired colors, and natural baby hairs. I wanted to make a statement with this, and so it just seemed like red was it for me. I chose the DR2 cinnamon wine, but I do appreciate the good dark roots on it. And look at that part, and look at the transparency there. Love it. I see the baby hairs. That lace is going to be so fun to work with. We have band. Two combs in the front. Your comb in the back and your adjustable straps. Beautiful ventilation on this. Let's go ahead and get her on. And so with a style like this, I just want every hair to stay in place, and I want that glass-like shine. So we added just a bit of the Silk and Sleek. And I am so happy with the results. I really like this color. You can see the pinkness coming through it. I really wanted an auburn, but I think this is really pretty and will be so gorgeous for spring. Really nice style. There was a bit of shedding, even in the slightest brushing of it. My brush was picking up a little more hairs than I wanted. So if that's a concern with you, please note that. But I think overall, it's just lovely. and I'm so glad I could join the ranks of those of you who are sporting bobs. I absolutely love her. And also, before I close out, this melted hairline is everything. That just turned out so beautiful. I love the placement of the part. Just so easy to install, and oh my goodness, I love this. Okay, I love to hear what you have to say, so drop me a little comment if you can, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I really love to have you. I think we're approaching the 300 mark. I am so thankful for everybody. Okay, I am just so thankful, and I want to say thank you again for joining me. And stay blessed, guys. So much to be thankful for. Have a wonderful, blessed time until I see you again.